this would be last question. So what is the Shugen view of Buddhist sculptures?
Well, Shugen uses these Buddhist sculptures and has for hundreds and hundreds of years. Now they have their own special, unique to Shugendo sculptures, but most people wouldn't be able to tell the difference. You know, they see carved wood. So the one main Shugen temple in Yoshino, you know, enshrines Amitabha, Shakyamuni, Yakshi Nyorai, just uses those Buddhist statues, and people revere the statue. But then there are other statues, Zhao Gonggen. Zhao Gonggen is a very fierce figure, up on one leg, stamping down with another leg, holds a Buddhist thunderbolt, Vajra, Kongo, and when you see this, you know, oh, this is Shugen. This is Shugen. Or the Enno Gyoja, you know, his statue. He has a cape on and kind of cloak over his face, long white beard, kind of like mine, only longer, you know, and very piercing eyes. He has a staff with 6 rings. He's surrounded by these Goki, Genki, these demons. People see that, they know, oh, this is Enno Gyoja, this is Yamabushi. But the skill in carving this wood, same as the Buddhist statue. People would apprentice. They would start very small. And in fact, a very small statue was called, when they were apprentice, masterpiece. That's what he did to become a master. He does a masterpiece. People see this, oh yes, yes, you've graduated. Or no, study more. So apprentice would study under, you know, and some people had specialties. Maybe a special one who's carving Fudo Myo, very fierce, angry, you know, with fire. He would be a specialist in maybe a seated Fudo or standing Fudo, or somebody becomes a specialist in Kannon. So maybe 11-head Kannon, or wish-fulfilling jewel Kannon, or 4-armed Kannon. He just carves this one. So I think this is where your documentary is going to be very interesting to see. You know, I think I can learn a lot by watching this and discovering just exactly what it takes in this modern age. Isn't it remarkable? In this modern age, apprentice system still works. Apprentice system still exists. There's old masters teaching the young ones, just like it was hundreds of years ago. I think it's going to be a very interesting documentary when you're ready to release it.